Well, everyone knows the Germans can play football, but the handling of these mascots is pure genius.
Yeah, so which Bundesliga team do we promote? Any ideas?
The Hamburger SV. They've been in the league for ages.
Yeah, that's why they have a dino as a mascot.
Me, I prefer the cute black horsey from Mönchengladbach.
Oh, Hennes!
No, Hennes is a live elk, the mascot for FC Köln.
Wait, it's alive?
Yes, but they have a live goat as a mascot.
Does Greenpeace know about this?
Hey, boss, isn't the elk from Hoffenheim?
I don't even know where Hoffenheim is. I'm out.
Okay, let's not lose focus. Where were we?
Apparently in Hoffenheim, but I'm calling Greenpeace.